Europe surges ahead of the US with the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETF. While the US treads with caution, Europe embraces the crypto future. It's not just about high returns, it's about innovation, responsibility, and leadership in the ever-evolving financial world. Europe's lead might just reshape global investor sentiment. Timing paired with precise position sizing is the key on the market. By mastering market cycle reading and leveraging advanced tools and strategic algorithms, investors can truly optimize their strategy. Our alpha hedge strategy, when applied to Bitcoin, has been pivotal in achieving a 29% CAGR over the past decade. It's in our portfolio since February 23rd. Even as we navigate Phase 5's distribution, we recognize the potential of the positive cycle. Assets can always re-enter the trend. If you like this analysis and want to see inside our portfolio in real time, subscribe to the Wall Street Insider Report Premium. Thank you for listening.